So Julie has brought me into the San Juan National Forest. We are headed toward La Plata Canyon. We aren't sure that we'll be able to get to the top because there's some thunderstorms coming in today. But beautiful views. Got a creek, which is my favorite thing in the whole world, is a rocky creek with aspen trees around. She is bringing little Ruby out from her camper trailer thingy that they have. And Ruby has never been in water before, so we're gonna video her being in water. Should be interesting. Ruby, I'm gonna step out onto this rock and see if it'll lure you out here. Maybe. Ruby. Look right here. Look right here. Ruby. I know, right? Come on, Ruby. What? Here, I about fell in the water. That would have been Ruby, hilarious. Ruby, ready? Get it, get it, get it. She's too busy smelling. She's loving it.
Look at you in the water.
What is that, Ruby?
If Blue was here, he'd be in it and she'd
Would
follow after.
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think?
So I don't know what to think right now.
You're allowed. You have to like water.
She's like, am I allowed to do this?
Good girl.
Are you being prissy? She's like, I'm good. My favorite tree in the whole world. It's an aspen. It's all of them. Every one of them. That's it. Julie agrees. That's my song. That's my song, and I'm sticking to it. We're going up a dirt road toward La Plata Canyon. We doubt that we'll get to the top. We don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. Nonetheless, it's very, very pretty, and there's a creek way down there. Going up. Almost up to the very top of La Plata Canyon. We were supposed to have ugly weather today, and it cleared up. This Mazda over here had to give up. What is up with all the cows in the road since I've been here? Oh my gosh. You, sir, need to clean your rear end. It's very, very dirty. That's a woman, isn't it? Go wipe your tushy. They didn't like that. I can't believe the weather has held off as good as it has. What a blessing, right? Filled.
Well, we're coming up to.
Okay. Look at that. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. So we are coming up on an avalanche field. These cows have a better life than I do. What the heck? So I can't wait to see this. Okay, so a couple winters ago, this area, La Plata County, had more snow than they have had in a couple of decades. Julie said they had a big avalanche going right here on this side of that aspen grove. Came across the road, and then you could see where it knocked down a crap ton of trees down through here, which is really interesting to me. There's Julie. Anyway, very, very interesting. Letting the puppy out to pee-pee. And I wanted to be sure and show how beautiful this view is. Ruby, what you doing?
Ruby, I really don't want to go down there.
Ruby, come here. Hey! Hey, girl! What you doing? Oh. Yeah, it's very lush right now, isn't it? Another vehicle. So Julie said the wildflowers are not usually this pretty still from middle to end of July, right? But they usually die out and dry up and all of that, but they've had such a wet June, which is pretty uncommon, right? And as a result, look at how pretty they've turned out today. So this is why you've got to have like a major off-road vehicle to go to the top of the Plata Canyon. We got some, it turns into a pretty rough road, doesn't it? A lot of dips. Definitely have to have a 4x4. What the heck is that? Are you kidding me? Wow, how in the world would you get stuff up here? That's nuts. So I'm just holding my phone out. I don't want anybody to think I'm not enjoying the view in person and just staying behind the lens, but we are up here at the tippy top of La Plata Canyon. I say the tippy top. I mean, obviously I'm not up there, but we're at 11,500, I think, is the altitude, and I'm a little winded. I did take my altitude medicine today, and I just took half of one because it's not like we're going to Pikes Peak. But anyway, I can definitely tell lack of oxygen, but it is so beautiful here. I just had to walk this direction just so I could show my friends and family, because not everybody can has the opportunity or even the physical ability to come out west. And so I take a lot of pictures, a lot of videos. I want my stepmom to get to see. This is not something that would be accessible to her in a wheelchair. So, it may be annoying when I post or take a lot of pics and videos, and I don't care. That's one of the many reasons. So, all right, I'll take pictures when I get around that tree. We are at La Plata Canyon. We're not going to do the hike up to the lake. We've got little Ruby with us, and she's just 4 months old, little puppy. But this is beautiful. The wildflowers are still blooming, which Julie said is very rare in July. That typically they've died out by then, but they got such a rainy June. Look at this. This is what I think heaven will look like. No lie.
Actually, I might feed her.
You could.
Give her some water. Yeah.
I can definitely feel the altitude though, but it's not bad. It's just funny.
Yeah.
So we're trying to get Ruby to go to the bathroom, but in the meantime, we're enjoying this view.
Ruby, what you doing? Ruby, you really need to pee and poop, don't you? Well, we know you need to. You smell.
I hear the creek, but I can't really see it from where we're standing. But this is pretty neat. I assume that this is old mining equipment, maybe? I really don't know. Sure is crumpled up.